Hey guys, my name is Ivy, and today is all about building an outfit. We're gonna go through my thought process when putting together an outfit and why things work and don't work, and in the end we'll have some outfits. Sounds simple enough, but there is a lot to it. Before we start though, I would ask you to consider subscribing and liking the video as it helps out the channel a ton. But anyways, let's get into it. So unless there is a specific piece that I want to wear either because it's new or very special to me, I start with pants. And I recommend that to each and every one of you. Start with pants. They're like the main building block, if you will. So for the first outfit, we're gonna go for these very wide twill trousers from Acne Studios. From here, we can go a couple of different ways when it comes to the top. We can either go slim and long, we can go cropped, or we can go very oversized. I think all of the above work well with these pants, but for this outfit in particular, let's go slim and long with the Rick Owens basic rib tank that drapes perfectly on top of the pants. Now naturally, it's time to choose the balancing factor of any outfit, and that is footwear. Now because we went slim on the upper body, we can go actually both for chunky or slim footwear. But let's go for these sleek leather boots from The Last Conspiracy. Now for the jacket, we have to go for something a bit slimmer because of our footwear choice. So let's go with the Spring Summer 03 Molino jacket from Rick Owens. Now let's accessorize. Now I think jewelry is something that should follow you from outfit to outfit, very much like a uniform. So we're going with what I currently have on and usually have on as well. I might swap out a piece here and there, but it mostly stays the same. Now because the boots are the only black part of the outfit, I'm going with my box bag from Atelier Skin. And for sunglasses, I'm going with my Gucci Aviators. And they look like this, if you know you know. You may have noticed that I haven't mentioned color a lot, apart from the boots and bag combination, but I still ended up with a very thought out color palette. Why is that, you may ask? I have the answer, of course. Now, while curating my wardrobe, I have chosen to buy mostly all black or earth tones for the most part, and this helps me not run into any color issues, if you will. And while I do think that all black or muted colors just look more effortless and cool, my opinion, color is still cool on a lot of you guys, but I just think that silhouette and texture trumps color every single time. You cannot save a bad outfit just by wearing color. It just distracts you from the fact that the outfit is bad. That's what I'm trying to teach today. So yeah, focus on silhouette and texture and you'll be good to go. This is of course a learning curve. You have to start somewhere. That's what I'm trying to teach you here. Start with the pants and build from there, and your outfits will be better. But anyways, that's our first full look. I love it, I hope you like it as well, but it's only one example. So let's make another one with the same thought process, but with a very different result. Starting with pants, we have the Rick Owens Boland's banana cut jeans. They are extremely flared and quite slim in the thigh. So we're dealing with a whole different silhouette. Now on top of any flared denim or trousers, I love oversized, so I went with the Rick Owens tarp tee. It's very long, but not the widest cut, so I think this fits perfectly with the jeans. And because of the oversized nature of the top and the flare, we need something chunky on the bottom. And of course, I went with the Cyclops boots from Rick Owens. They are practically made for the Boland's cut jeans. Pretty much whenever I wear the Boland's, I wear these. Now this time the jacket can be a chunky one because of our footwear and top choice. So let's go with my vintage bomber jacket. We're putting some color into the outfit, but it's a very muted orange, and I love this. Apparently it's made from the inside of a cow's stomach. I don't know how true that is, but it's a cool story. This is a very fashiony outfit, if you will. So I think it's only right that we go for the Balenciaga wrapped D-frames. And they look like this. The jewelry, like I said, stays the same. And that's our second full look. I definitely like this one as well, but let's make a third one just to prove the method works. And to prove that, let's go with the Acne Studios jeans again, but make a very different outfit this time. So on top, let's go as oversized as you pretty much possibly can and go for the Rick Owens Tommy tee. This is gigantic and it drowns me completely. And then because that t-shirt is gigantic, let's go with the Cyclops boots again. A lot of people start with footwear. I just think that is definitely the wrong way of going about it because it's supposed to be more of a balancing factor, and these balance out the outfit perfectly. You see how this works now, right? Now there is already a lot going on shape-wise, so let's just add the box bag from Atelier Skin again, and the Balenciaga shades. And there you have it. 3 very different looks, but based on the same thought process and method. But tell me which one you like the most, or if you even like them at all. I encourage you to try this for yourself and see if it doesn't help you dress just that bit better. Once I figured out that pants are everything, my style went from a very average fashion guy style to now feeling very secure in my style, feeling very confident with it. And just again, I want to repeat myself, it starts with the pants. If the pants don't fit right, and if you choose the wrong top and footwear to go with the pants, your outfit will just not work, no matter how good the pieces are. Let's just say you go super oversized on top and you go skinny on the pants and footwear, that will just look weird. And of course, weird can be done intentionally, but most of the time, it just looks weird. It's that simple. I also want to add that, do you see how few pieces are here? You can easily build a capsule wardrobe that can build a ton of different outfits, just like this one. I have a video on that actually, check that out up here. But anyways, remember to subscribe to the channel if you like our content. Have a great rest of the day though, and thanks for watching.